Good morning. Today, actually, really, after a long gap, perhaps if I can remember, if I am not wrong, it may be 2 more months. I have left out uploading educational matter relating to English. Everybody knows. My focus is exactly always does relate to the students with a view to develop their writing skills and spoken skills. Specifically nowadays, I am involved with an institution or organization and being a part-time or guest lecturer, I usually teach the students about how to develop the spoken. So you can follow me. It would be better. But exactly if you have a strong writing power and if you can write carefully, a careful thought, it is the better way. It is the only way. But I will be just, it is a suggestive way of communicating. So before delivering a speech, you need to have a practice at writing. That would be much better, and it will be very much helpful to you, all the students, those who are intended or interested just to speak fluently without interruption. And you can keep on flourishing, focusing, noticing your different thoughts. So why I have specifically noticed, or just I am knocking you, saying about writing is very much important before. When you have to practice writing, and thereafter just when you will do, then your chances of committing mistakes will be unexpectedly reduced, because it is the best way to deliver non-stop speech carefully. So before doing, just make a little practice, if possible, if time allows. So you see, the spoken word, just if you have uttered something, you have spoken it. So whenever just you have spoken something else, you can take it back. If you have committed mistakes, any sentences or any word that can never be revised. Once you have made a statement orally or verbally, it affects your listeners, the followers, in a particular way, and you can't just rectify if you have committed, or you can't take it back or rephrase it to the point that the first statement is forgotten, because you may forget whatever you just have. However, if you write a statement and after looking it realize that it sounds offensive or incorrect, you can revise it before delivering your intended speech to the audience or to the followers, or if you are in practice. Exactly, I would say in this regard, writing practice makes you to clarify your thoughts clearly. If you are facing troubles at writing, it is often because it may just please listen, because you are not yet finished with the thinking. You are incomplete at your thinking. That is to be exposed in writing. Thinking part is to be completed. And sometimes just sitting down and writing whatever is on your mind, that helps you discover and organize what you think. So always remember, that is the part of your writing that makes you. And I would say in this regard, the other advantage or another advantage is the permanency, perpetuality. Just your ideas presented in a written form or you are writing or before just delivering such carry far more weight. It will be very much called laudable. Just if you can write correctly and if you have practiced it in written form, then your spoken power ultimately will be developed. And it will be flawless, it will be clear and correct. So spoken ideas, you have just your idea just you want to deliver before that you practice. And additionally, I would say you can review and refer to the exact what you want to say. Originally, I would say. So yes, always I feel something. Please listen it because it is your class and don't disturb this. So I must say because I have hardly time and you see I am going to be sorry. That ideas. So writing is nothing, I could say writing is nothing more than a thought that you have described, you illustrate on a paper. And considering you are organizing a thought, means just you are composing using your own language, just you try to compose it clearly using sentences, phrases, rhetorical concept. Nowadays, many of the students are found they are proactive, they are protective, they are proactive, and they feel and they realize and they start this. So their thoughts and they write and thereafter. Just I frequently suggest you always just make it practice. That will be very much helpful to you too. Present orally a nice speech publicly, or being in a stage, or you are teaching the students, or else just you are doing something else in this field. So always I must ask you to practice it like this way, because you are strong, you know you can, but while just you deliver or illustrate something being on a stage, or just your followers they are listening you carefully, that I would say you, if you commit mistakes, that will knock their eardrums and they can remember sir has committed such mistake. It should not be. So be careful. Whether just your students or something, yes, it is common to everyone else. Everyone can do. In YouTube, I have watched so many persons, they guide in a different way, but hardly I do find the YouTubers to suggest the students how can you develop your writing. That is simple. Writing. That whenever you will be you will keep on practicing consistently. So that will help you to develop your idea and knowledge. And whenever just you will practice, that makes you to remember afterwards while just you are going to illustrate something about a topic that will be very much what is called exact. That would be exactness has to come. So I would always tell you, this is a short video. And there are pages, if you face problems, you can upload, just you can just notice me, sir, we need to know this. So this is for the specifically the spoken class students, those who are attending online classes, specifically on SAT. A platform is there, and I am just there considered to be that a guest teacher, so frequently just I attend, and the students they love me, and because I suggest them clearly and say them. So you try your confidence of telling something else. Before that, you need to have a concept. You need to have clear concept and grammar and this preliminary, elementary knowledge, the foundation knowledge, ideas. Then only just it will be made possible for you if you try. So before that, I would ask you, while you are listening, someone is trying to write something else, and if you are thinking something else, try to write it. So then you practice it for a little 10 minutes, 5 minutes or 20 minutes. Thereafter, just be ready to deliver your speech or just a topic in a discussion, any clarification, being in a group discussion or in a debate. That will be better always. So please try to accept this one and try to understand this part and you follow. I think it will be very much helpful to have your knowledge developed, your skillness, your talent would be developed. Okay, nothing more today. Thank you for watching.